But not in the last two sessions, I think.
Yeah, was kind of better. Better. So now feeling better. इतना cold हो रहा है ना, just sailing through is not so easy.
Cold AQI. AQI तो better है. Last 2 weeks is better.
Better is good.
Then it is 100 150. So I strictly monitor it यार. मेरे को पहले फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. जब से मेरी बेटी हुई है, उसके बाद से I'm very anxious.
I see so many, like not so many reels, but many parents saying leaving out, staying out in Goa, like those who are staying in India and moving out because of kids. So yeah,
Those who are having leverage and those who can.
those who have jobs, like jobs or business. -3-year-old, always worry about that. Especially for kids, it's not.
हाँ हाँ यार करेक्ट है.
हमारा तो ठीक है, कर लेंगे किसी तरह.
अरे मतलब बात क्या होती है उनके हर एक बॉडी ऑर्गन अगर तो छोटे छोटे हैं और आप अभी से ये सारी चीज़ों को इनको एक्सपोज कर रहे हो, मतलब एक्सपोज हो रहे थे गेटिंग अनफॉर्चुनेटली, तो बहुत बुरा लगता है.
टेडियस टास्क है
भाई ये हाँ ये बहुत
टोटल उसका
टोटल और जैसे अनूप का ओवरऑल होता है और हर अलग अलग टोस्ट मास्टर अलग सॉरी टेबल टॉपिक का
इट इज अ चैलेंजिंग
नहीं लगे रहा
या इजी लगते हैं. टाइमर तो स्पेसिफिक है, सो इजी.
आज शुरू में मुझे जोक मास्टर का याद नहीं रहा था. जोक मास्टर का टाइमर ऐसे एक
You get to learn so much without going anywhere.
Because I checked yesterday, it was taking 4 minutes. So I cut down some part of it. लिकर शॉप में एक्चुअली कुछ और मैं जो उसमें ऐड कर रहा था वो सब मिस कर रहा मैंने बिकॉज आई हैव टू ब्रिंग इट डाउन टू 3 मिनट्स ओनली.
अच्छा वैसे वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? आर यू शिफ्टेड टू बड़ौदा?
या आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम Ranchi, but I shifted recently from Bangalore.
अच्छा श्रेया इज आल्सो फ्रॉम
अच्छा
What's happening? Hey, happy New Year.
देखा फाइनली आ जाता हूँ एक बार because I'll be traveling now from next week.
ओहो, और मैं अभी बोलने वाली थी एक स्पीच करने के लिए, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट इज पे.
क्योंकि I'll be leaving on Monday. Maybe I'll make it Sunday, but I'm not sure.
Now it is time to start the evaluation, but before we get started with the evaluation and call upon the general evaluator, I would like to share that here and there we organize different treks, hikings and trips. So do join us if you want to create memories and stories, because in the future if your kids ask that mama or papa, we like to share some stories that you had with Toastmaster Rahul. You might have none. So let's invite general evaluator for the evaluation. A big round of applause, please.
Thank you, Toastmaster Rahul. We would definitely like to travel with you and create stories. But before that, let's know our good things and improvement areas. We will start with the evaluation round. The first with the table topic speaker or table topics evaluator, Toastmaster Shriya. So she will come and give the feedback on each of the table topic speakers. Toastmaster Shriya.
Thank you, dear Manu. We had a very good and interactive table topic session. I'll start with the evaluation. PM Anurag, your topic was your favorite travel destination so far. So you mentioned about rafting. Rishikesh, you mentioned about rafting. rowing the boat, your experience jumping in the river. So you had very good stage presence. So overall your speech was good for 2 minutes, but what recommendation I would like to give is you should introduce voice modulation, because you are already a veteran speaker and you participate every time. So try to introduce some voice modulations and increase your stage presence. TN Tapesh, your topic was one place you want to explore more. You mentioned about Ladakh. The best part about you coming on the stage is your voice, your volume instantly grabs the attention. So you are able to, everybody listens to you because of your pitch, the volume. So that is a very good point that you have. You mentioned about all the good qualities, bike rides, endless roads, and your boat trip to Ladakh. So that is good. One recommendation that I would like to give is you could have elaborated more, because you already are very close to that topic. So you could have just taken one scene out of your trips and just made us also go to Ladakh and enjoy the little beauties of what you have explored. So that is a recommendation to increase the content. Guest Deep, a trip that changed you. Where is Guest Deep? Yeah. So you mentioned about Sri Lanka. So this was your first attempt, so it was a good attempt. You mentioned about all the positive points of Sri Lanka, like it is a peaceful country, they preach Buddhism, so that is good. During your tenure, you were first here and then your hands were restricted, they were on your waist. So when we come to stage, we are mindful about our hands, our body movements, how they are. So that is a practice that we do here in Toastmasters. So the more you come in the Toastmasters, the more you will be able to learn on how should our body language be. Yeah. Guest Lalit, your dream country to visit. So you mentioned about India, Ladakh. So and you were able to articulate on why you want to go Ladakh. You mentioned all the good pointers about the Ladakh, like scenic beauty and everything. So you had very good stage presence and you were moving also slightly on the stage, so you were able to cover the stage. My recommendation is you have got the topics, you have the time of 2 minutes, so elaborate more on the topic. You have your time, take your time, use that entire time. TN Shravasti, packing light or packing everything. Good hand movements, good stage presence, you were able to modulate your voice also, so that is when you were able to grab everyone's attention for that entire 2 minutes, and you followed Oreo approach also. So for these 2 minutes, I don't have any recommendation for you. TM Sahil, one journey you will never forget. So you mentioned about Singapore, the cruise journey, you had slight stage movement and the hand movements, but you were conscious about those hand movements. So this is what Toastmasters teaches us. Like what should our hand movements be? So you were conscious about your hands, they were going inside your pocket, but then you were changing that. So that is a very good pointer. So on that perspective, my recommendation is to have the stage presence, like increase your stage presence, just be more conscious about the body language. Guest Athar, your topic was a place you want to revisit. You mentioned about Goa, so this was your first time, so kudos. A very good topic you got. You gave a very good start. You wished everyone good afternoon and then you gave a very good start. You mentioned about all the positive points, why you want to go to Goa, like rafting, love beaches, people. So that's a very good pointer. The more you will come on stage, the more you will learn on how to elaborate on the topic. Tanav, your topic was travel alone, friends. So you mentioned you have traveled enough with family. You mentioned all the perks of traveling with family, so it was good. Your voice was also very soothing during your speech. The only recommendation is increase movement, like increase your movement and increase your presence. Keshav, your topic was your ideal weekend getaway. You mentioned staying at home alone. You were also conscious about the stage movement and everything, but at times when you come to stage, you fidget your feet or your hands. So this is one body language that I would like you be conscious about, so that you don't keep fidget your hands or fidget your feet. Okay. Rest your content is very good. That's all my feedback. I would like to.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shreya. I know there were many table topic speakers today, and she did a good job and concise. concisely summarizing all the feedback. Now we move to the prepared speakers evaluation. And for that, I would like to invite Toastmaster Dipanshu to evaluate Toastmaster Pratik's speech.
Toastmaster Pratik, nothing is wasted. The first thing that really stood out for me in Toastmaster Pratik's speech was how prepared he was. Like many of you, I have been of the privilege of observing Toastmaster Pratik's journey in Toastmasters. And in his very first speech, he mentioned about his challenges in the speech. But seeing his level 2 speech, I can say he always comes with conviction, commitment, and he always comes with his speech with full preparation. That is something that we all should learn from Toastmaster Pratik. You always have a well-crafted structure, opening, body, and language, opening, body, and closing, which is something that I have always really admired about Toastmaster Pratik's speech. Today also, first thing that I really admired was how prepared he was. Coming to the second commendation, what I really loved about Toastmaster Pratik today was his storytelling skills. I'm sure you all must have observed that in all the conflicts he mentioned, in all the challenges he faced, he really emphasized the point that how he was feeling when he was facing those challenges. That is a really courageous movement. It's not easy to put your emotions right out. And he was very open about his challenges and how he has overcome them. He didn't have that to put false confidence in front of everyone. He put that he was in a vulnerable state and how he overcome that. That is a very important part of telling a story, because it's the conflict part that really connects to the audience. It's the emotion that really connects us as humans. Coming to the recommendation part, the first recommendation I have for Toastmaster Pratik is to avoid repetition. For example, when Toastmaster Pratik was starting his speech, he told that I'm going to tell a story about motivating others, which is something that I won't recommend, because in your objective it was already mentioned, the Toastmaster Pratik already mentioned. So avoid repetition, just quickly begin your story, or that once upon a time, or in 2010 or whatever. So that way you can just immediately grab your audience attention. So avoid repetition is my first recommendation. Second recommendation is to have more energy. As the objective of the speech was to motivate others, and as most of us have observed, all the motivation speakers, energy is a very important part of that. So when you were giving a speech, when Toastmaster Pratik was presenting his speech and he was explaining about the challenges, you could have use voice modulation and said that life will throw challenges at you. It is you who you have to get up. And when Toastmaster Pratik was mentioning about call for action, that moment I would recommend should have a lot of energy. It should have an energy that the audience immediately write their goals and have a plan. Something like you give them a call for action that they can do immediately, because that is how they will remember your speech for ages to come. We will forget the content, we will forget the message, but we will definitely remember that Pratik gave the right call for action. So overall, to summarize, I absolutely love how Toastmaster Pratik was prepared today, his storytelling skills, and with the recommendation of avoiding repetition and bringing more energy. And I'm very much sure that upcoming speeches of Toastmaster Pratik are going to be really amazing. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Dipanshu, for a comprehensive evaluation. Now, I would like to invite Toastmaster Monita to evaluate Toastmaster Sumit's speech. Thank you.
What a euphoric session it was. Parenting beyond the average response. Like the way Toastmaster Sumit elaborated, I guess I want to give you standing ovation. Because I'm not sure about others from this room, but after hearing this speech, I feel tension. Because these kind of parents, understanding parents only existing either Netflix series or in my religion. But some can be. Anyways, good hand gesture. You try to create humor by mentioning quarrel with your wife, which is informative. Good perspective as well by mentioning criticism, to avoid criticism and encouraging your children's. One recommendation, recommendations from me is there's some lack of voice modulation. You should look into this and stage movement. You are rest of the time. Please do justice for right side. There are also things. And last recommendations. Never complain with your wife. And overall, I enjoyed a lot. All of this that you mentioned, like you did pause, create humor, and try to engage with us, which is your objective. So, all this things.
Last but not the least, now I would like to invite our third evaluator, Toastmaster Kritika, to evaluate Toastmaster Priyanshi.
Toastmaster Priyank very well urged us to take that leap of faith. Kudos to Toastmaster Priyank for a well-drafted speech. I can ensure the audience was interviewed for the whole time. So kudos on that. The story was very well drafted, one after the other things coming. That was very good. Second commendation for the speech drafting was there were sprinkles of humor at many places, like how he accelerated the car when the truck moved, even though he gave the wrong signal. So the sprinkles of humor connected the audience. So kudos on that as well. And the third recommendation, if you guys, everyone should have noticed that he started with a question, that too a funny one. So quickly everyone was introduced to the speech and everyone just only focused to the stage. So kudos on the speech drafting and the delivery as well on how you were moving the story line during the speech. Superb. Couple of recommendations on the delivery part of the speech. Like for example, the first one, the hand gestures. At many places you were trying to use hand gestures, but at some places your hands were folded this way. For example, when you were thinking, should we do it or should we not do it? Whether you should go to your home or not. Should we do it or should we not do it? Maybe you can use your hands and your face, everything. Should we do it or should we not do it? There are two sides of the audience. You can cater to all the audience as well, and you can use the stage, you can use your hand, you can use your face gestures, everything together. So just try using those, and this will happen when you practice the delivery more. The second would be the energy and voice modulation. Your speech had a storyline. There were some ups and there were some downs. You were focusing on the down part, you were reducing your voice level and everything, but on the ups, use high energy. Like when you said next morning, after you went home, next morning when I woke up, I felt like home. I felt like home. I felt euphoric. You can use that enthusiasm that yes, you were feeling like home. You were happy that way. So that way it will come out a bit well. All in all, it was a very well drafted speech. Everyone was interviewed the whole time. So kudos on the speech part. If you use these couple of things, your next speech will be much better.
Thank you, Toastmaster Kritika, for such a comprehensive evaluation. Now it's time for our supplementary role players. First, I would like to invite our grammarian, Toastmaster Deepika.
So here I am with the report of the day. So first I would like to say kudos to Toastmaster Rahul, Toastmaster Pratik, Toastmaster Priyam, Toastmaster Tapesh, Toastmaster Sahil, Toastmaster Pranav, Toastmaster Monica and Toastmaster Kritika for using the word of the day euphoria. It's not easy to introduce a word in a regular speech or in impromptu speaking. So kudos to you. Now I will just point out some of the incorrect uses of the grammar. So there was this word, sentence, I didn't understood. It should be I didn't understand. We should be using the verb one at the end. Great, one of my friend. It should be one of my friends. So French, it should be plural at the end. They were relatively old. It should be they were relatively older because we are comparing. Agra came, Mathura came, Gwalior came. It should be like we passed Agra, Mathura, then Gwalior. Now I'll just reiterate some of the great quotes we have heard in the speeches today. Great speakers respect words, but extraordinary speakers respect time. Life doesn't move in straight lines. It connects the dot. Mistakes don't define us, but what we learn from them, they do. Praise the process that led to success. Whenever there's an opportunity, take a leap of faith. Thank you for this great session today. Good. Over to Toastmaster.
Thank you, Toastmaster Deepika. Now I would like to invite our accountant, Toastmaster Aishwarya.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I am back with my report. TM Utkarsh used 3 times and 1 time so, and he repeated and 3 times. TM Rahul used so 1 time. TM Pratik used 1 time or 1 time, so 1 time, like 1 time, and he repeated the word I was 2 times. TM Sumit used so 1 time. TM Priyam, he used so 1 time and he repeated one word 2 times. Then TM Lalit used and 2 times. TM Shavasti used so 1 time. TM Athal, guest Athal TM Sahil repeated and 2 times. TM Athal used like 2 times. TM Tanav repeated just 1 word. TM Keshav repeated 1 word. And the second. TM Shreya used like 1 time, so 1 time. TM Dipanshu used 1 time and 2 times. TM Monta used and 1 time. And she used enjoy 2 times. TM Kritika used like 1 time, but 1 time. Kritika used so 1 time. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Aishwarya. Now I would like to call the timer, Toastmaster Utkarsh, to present the timer.
What a euphoric session it was, and a time being, it was a very impactful, powerful, and an amazing day today. So all of our speeches were on time, and some of them were just up the time and down the time. So I would like to start it from prepared speeches. So TM Pratik took 7 minutes 13 seconds, TM Sumeet took 6 minutes 31 seconds, and TM Priyan took 7 minutes 4 seconds. And then I would like to talk about evaluator. TM Monica took 2 minutes 21 seconds, TM Dipanshu took 3 minutes 37 seconds, and TM Kritika took 2 minutes 57 seconds. And TM Shriya for table topic evaluation, she took 4 minutes 59 seconds. So after that I would like to come for table topic speakers. TM Anurag took 1 minute 20 seconds, TM Tapesh took 1 minute, guest Deep took 31 seconds, and guest Lalit took 59 seconds. TM Sravasti took 1 minute 56 seconds, TM Sahil took 1 minute 49 seconds, guest Adhar took 40 seconds, and TM Tanav 2 minutes 10 seconds, and TM Keshav 50 seconds. Then I would like to tell about grammarian Deepika. She took 1 minute 36 seconds. Our counter Aishwarya 1 minute 42 seconds. And Joke Master took 2 minutes 2 seconds. That's all for today, and have a great day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Utkarsh. Such a wonderful time report. Now it's my time to give the overall feedback. As you may be noticing that I was sitting on the back side observing everything, what is going here. So, first of all, the meeting started on time. Toastmaster new team took over today. Sorry, I was a little late, and that's a recommendation for me as well, to be on time, especially when you take a role. I was late by 5 minutes, and I saw Toastmaster Saksham started the meeting as presiding officer, and was taking the guest introductions. That was very good. Then he introduced the TMOD, Toastmaster Rahul. Toastmaster Rahul came up with a very interesting theme, travel, as many of us already traveled during the year end or planning to travel. And travel is a universal topic. I think everybody would be interested in hearing the different travel stories. So kudos to Toastmaster Rahul to share this theme with us. And he has prepared well. He was very interactive. He gave audience to share their interesting travel stories. He had mixed humor with his theme, so that's very important to keep the audience engaged throughout. Also, he had always carried that beautiful smile on his face, so that adds a bigger charm whenever Toastmaster Rahul speaks on the stage. So great job, Toastmaster Rahul, as Toastmaster of the day. Next, we have Joke Master, Toastmaster Amitabh. So I think he can become a good stand-up comedian. The way he tells the jokes without carrying any expression in a serious mode. When he said that I came to Gurgaon station and I didn't see the usual board, and the board I saw, I was expecting something else. But then he said that okay, so it all naturally brought smile, and he carried on in a similar way. So that was, I think that's an exceptional talent he has. So you should explore more on that talent to give more stand-up comedy. And maybe to improve, you can add some more vocal variety and create some suspense. So that would add more fun to your jokes. The speeches, as usual, we have already listened to the evaluations of those speeches. Speeches were great. Coming to the table topic section, Toastmaster Anup did a good job by having the table topics related to the theme. So most of the time we follow this pattern that whatever the theme is, table topics also align with those tables, the theme. And of course, it was a theme today was travel, and during the table topic session, each of the speakers got an opportunity to speak about their favorite travel or the travel they want to repeat or the trip they enjoyed most. So good job Toastmasters Anup to come up with this kind of theme. One suggestion, I think you introduced the session but you didn't talk about different approaches the audience can take while speaking on the table topics, and especially for the guests, we need to introduce them that okay how to speak. So it would be great. Now coming to the evaluations, the area where I'm responsible. So table topics evaluator Toastmaster Shia, she did a fantastic job. I could see that how concise and comprehensive was she in her evaluations. For each speaker, she had commendations as well as recommendation, and because table topics evaluator has to evaluate so many speakers and time is also very limited. She got only 5 minutes. So she did full justice, covering at least one commendation and recommendation. So each speaker has something to take back. So good job Toastmaster Shriya. Now coming to the speech evaluators. Toastmaster Dipanshu, as usual, he is a seasoned and champion speech evaluator. So he did a fantastic job. He used encouraging words for the speaker, Toastmaster Pratik. He highlighted what good things he has done and gave very good recommendations. I am sure Toastmaster Pratik will take those recommendations and work upon them. Second evaluator, Toastmaster Monita. I saw her first time taking this role, so kudos to you coming on the stage and doing the evaluation. Great job. And you have a different style, so you used a different style of evaluation. So good. Always we need some kind of varieties, correct? So kudos to you, Toastmaster Monita, to bring a new style of evaluation. One suggestion I would like to give: when you give recommendations, so instead of just saying that lack of vocal variety and stage movement, just explain and demonstrate where the speaker can use your recommendations. You say that okay, some places you have to bring down your tone to show sorrow. So you have to just give an example, not very detailed, but maybe 1 or 2 points. So that I believe you had some more time, you could have utilized that time. Coming to our third evaluator, Toastmaster Kritika. So again, she did a fantastic job. She commended the speaker on the humor and gave good recommendation about the hand gestures and vocal variety. It would be good if you can give some recommendation on the content also, speech content also. Okay. Coming to the auxiliary role players, Toastmaster Deepika Grammarian. So great job again. I've seen her playing this role many times, so I think she has perfected that role. She covered all the instances of uses of word of the day, as well as she observed the great uses of words, as well as where the speakers can improve. Our counter, Toastmaster Aishwarya, good job again. I would like to give one more suggestion. Just try to add some more variety instead of just coming and say that so and so use so many R's, so many. Maybe try to be more innovative. Try to twist your words, twist your language, make it more interesting. Maybe you can interact with it. Do you know which was the word most used as a crutch word? Timer Utkarsh, I know you are playing this role for the first time, so good job again. One suggestion I would like to give: just when you are reading your report, don't move. Okay? Maybe you cover one part of the speech on one point, move to the other part, give the other part of the deliver the other part of the speech, okay? And always have contact with the audience. I saw that you were walking and looking down. Okay? So and overall meeting, it was great. One observation that someone's phone was rang in the middle of a speech. So try to avoid these kind of distractions. Doesn't look good to the speaker. Overall, a great speech, a great session on the first Sunday of this new year 2026, and I believe that we will keep coming here, we'll continue and bring up the energy more. Over to you, Presiding Officer.
Well, as the general evaluator started the speech by saying the role player should be on the time, and I buy that. We should, as a role player, all the members should be here by 10:30. And number two, as a presiding officer, we should avoid talking between. That can also be as a part of Toastmaster. We don't ban that. Now we have multiple news from the EC members. Number one, we are going. Remember, we had a mock session, mock contest in the member of the table topic. So we are going to have a table topic contest at club level this January 25th. More details about it would be sharing on the group. So be active, right? Now, one more thing, the voting forms has been shared. So I request every member to visit and vote. I request all the members to share the voting links to the guests as well. Are we done with it? Let's wait for 5 to 7 minutes. And we again have, as new month is starting, so according to the last month, we have 4 nominations for the Toastmaster of the Month. Let me just rephrase who all they are. So before I announce the names, I would like to ask the guests how was their experience in the Toastmaster and any suggestion or any opinion they would have. Sir.
I think it was a good experience. Got to understand the flow that is being followed and how it can add value. To go to TM1 and see how I can get it and gather.
My experience was also good, and I learned that I need to go more on stage for better voice modulation, better presenting, and how to deliver the speech, and also the tabletop one.
It was a very interesting session, and I noted down a lot of new words here. And I think I will definitely improve my speaking things, and I will also overcome the stage fear, and I will come regularly. It was really nice.
Perfect. Last month, Toastmaster of the Month, top 4 candidates were Toastmaster Vineet, Toastmaster Ankit, Toastmaster Deepak, and Toastmaster Shreya. Who do you think won the Toastmaster of the Month this time?
Toastmaster Shreya.
No. That was a good guess, but you failed. So it's Toastmaster Deepak. So with a big round of applause.
Anyway, trophy is going to say.
Yeah. I would like someone to give the photo. Yeah.
Very important to Shreya.
So Toastmaster Deepak.
It is other way around.
It is other way.
I think the mobile has hung.
Say cheese. Perfect.
You can give it to
Now one more announcement from the EC side. We are also going to have the IAC contest this next month in the middle of February. The dates are not yet decided, but be active in the group, and we just letting you know beforehand so that you have roughly 30-35 days to prepare. So all the very best. I believe the voting have been done.
Is everyone voted? We have to try for the best speaker.
Oh, so as to vote, someone has left. Oh, I.
Also, you have left Priyank. His feedback
Oh,
also matters.
Yes, Priyank, please share your feedback.
This was the first time I went outside of any like my term, so it was a really great experience, and day was a failure, euphoria, but the whole meeting was literally kind of on those lines. I like the vibes, and I think I should do this more often, visiting other clubs. That's what something I have done. And thank you for having me.
So much. So let me just have the other. So let's start with the best role player. We have TMOD, we have General Evaluator, we have Joke Master. So who do you think won the best role player this first year of first session of 2026? Any guesses?
Difficult call.
Yes, the team of Toastmaster Rahul with a big round of applause. Congratulations, Toastmaster Rahul. Now we roughly had 11 to 12 table topic speakers, and it would be very difficult for me to name all of them. So, any guesses who have won the best table topic speaker? I guess we have the majority. Please welcome Toastmaster with a round of applause, everyone. Congratulations, Toastmaster. For the best auxiliary role player, we have as a timer Toastmaster Utkarsh, as a counter Toastmaster Ashwarya, and as a grammarian Toastmaster Deepika. Who do you think won the best auxiliary role player? Very difficult. Well, let me just give it out so that you guys don't be full with tension. So it's for the best auxiliary role player, it's Toastmaster Deepika. For the best evaluator, as a table topic evaluator, I believe Toastmaster Dipanshu was disqualified. Then it was Toastmaster Monita, Toastmaster Kritika, and Toastmaster Shreya. Who do you think became the best evaluator for
Toastmaster Monita.
They have multiple views, but this time it went to Toastmaster Shreya. So I believe there is a tie between the best speaker as a old member. What we should do? Should we do the?
There should not be time because a lot of people are there.
No, they are 26.
We can give two. We can give two.
Yeah, we can.
Or just give two.
Has Athar also voted? So
you voted, right? No.
Give two certificates.
Let's give two certificates.
Because you have already disclosed that.
Yeah, since it's already out, better
Yeah.
give it to both this
Okay.
time.
So for the best speaker, the first time goes to Toastmaster Pradeep. So with a big round of applause, welcome. And let's just be.
So whenever there is time, you should encourage people to vote because a lot of people do not vote. So it's very rare that time will happen.
So I believe I thought it should happen again.
It's okay. After you have disclosed that there are two people in same votes.
It's still happening in
Election is different.
Okay. I will take that point. The best speaker award, the next best speaker award goes to Toastmaster Priyank with a big round. So, big, long, lengthy session comes to an end. I hope everybody had whatever they expected from this meeting session came through. And before we end up, I request everyone to come on the stage and then join later by at least Toastmaster Shreya's birthday. So we have